Guys, in this question we are going to find the unknown. Therefore we are going to find the x. X is not given. Let's find the x in this question. Firstly, we are going to add those equations, those 3x that have a raised for x. Okay, we can change into the index form. Therefore, if you have 3x into 3 based on the loss of indices, this is equals to 81. Then the next step for you to solve this, then you can remove the bracket by saying here we have this 3 multiplied by this x. We have 3 raised power 3 raised power 3x. This is equals to 81. And the next step of solving this problem, we're gonna change the 81 into index form. What is the index form of 81? We keep dividing 81 into the index form of the 81. Assuming you have 81, you keep dividing 81 by 3. Then this is how you can find the index form of the 81. I know the index form of 81 will be 3 into 4 places. That is 3 times 3 times 3 will be times 3 times 3 into 4 places. Times 3 here will be 81. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the index form of 81 is equals to 3 raised by 4. Therefore, we have 3 raised by 3x is equals to 3 raised by 4. That's the index form of 81. Then lastly, you will have to equate the equation. Since we have 3 raised by 3x is equals to 3 raised by 4. Therefore, you have 3x. This 3 goes with this 3. We have 3x is equals to 4. By dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, here we have x is equals to 4 over 3. Also, since this is improper fraction, we have x is equals to 1 over 1 over 3. That's the value of x. You can check and put the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.